Say hi, Princess.
Hi.
Morgan, Morgan. Morgan you don't want to be in the video because he doesn't want to be famous. But Princess, hi. These are my walking buddy today. Hi, Mama. You don't want to be famous, Morgan? Morgan, say hi. That's my son, my silly son. And these are our friend, Princess. Princess. See, it's nice. It's nice. See, it's not that bad, even though it's like a thing, huh? Because Morgan is an exercise. Huh, Morgan? We're just gonna do one lap, Morgan. You'll be okay.
There's also a squirrel.
Yeah, a squirrel. He doesn't want to be famous. Princess, let's go, honey. Say hi, Princess.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone. Let's go here. This one's not that bad here. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's oh, let's go this way. This is right here. Okay, Princess, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Princess.
What grade are you in, Princess?
I'm third grade.
You're in third grade?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Morgan is... Morgan, what grade are you? Fifth grade? He doesn't want to be in the camera. You say he doesn't want to be famous. And he doesn't even want to take a picture. But when he was little, he likes to take a picture and say, Mom, take my picture here. Mom, take my picture here. And now he doesn't want to be famous. I don't want to be famous, Mom. Say, hey, who said you're going to be famous? Yeah. So you have to respect that if he doesn't want to. You know. Anyway. So I don't know what's up in here, Morgan.
You've arrived.
Morgan, do you want to go straight up here? Or you want to be in there? Okay, Morgan wants to go this way.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, guys. I'm going to let you see.
Oh, wow.
So where are you going to be? Right there. Straight up.
Yeah.
Right there. Yes. This is a cute park. Maybe even though it's in the city, and then we're actually walking like 12 o'clock, like lunchtime. It's still pretty shady. So. You coughing? Morgan, you're coughing. All right. See, look at that. That is in the bottom. There's a creek in the bottom. Right there. There's a creek. Go straight up. Okay, Princess.
I think there's gonna be a bee's nest.
Huh? We're gonna go one lap, one round. Okay?
Does it go in circles?
Yeah. We're gonna go full circle. And maybe I'm gonna buy you drink later, a bagel, or we can stop by Starbucks.
I love Starbucks.
You love Starbucks? Yeah, I bet you do. So, yeah,
Oh my god, my squirrel.
to get a drink. Huh?
I got a squirrel.
I know. There's a whole lot of squirrel here. So, yeah. This is our afternoon hike. I mean, a brisk walk. Because Morgan needs a little bit of exercise. We went to his pediatrician yesterday, and Dr. Kramer saying he's tall on his height, and his vision is okay, but he's a little overweight. Well, this pandemic thing prevent him from not having any activities like a swimming lesson or a soccer. He wanted to have a piano, but no. Well, anyway. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go down in that. Careful. Careful, guys. Let me go down and crust. Tired already? Yeah? You want your water, Mama?
What's that? There you go. I squirrel again. Look.
Yeah, you can go in there too. A lot of kids playing in here.
It's biting. Squirrels are biting.
I know. Tired, Mama? Oh, he's tired.
I'm not tired.
Just a little break.
Now let's
Yeah.
go.
Let us stream. Look, there's an apple in there. That's the apple.
Where?
Apple tree.
Wow.
I know. Yeah. We have an apple tree
What's
right there.
this?
That's the apple tree right there.
Yeah, but what's this? Oh,
There's a lot of apple. Which
yeah,
one?
that one.
Yeah, it's kind of like a wild berry. Yeah, this is a wild berry. Look at it. There's a lot of wild berry.
Let's go. Hi.
Yeah, birds ate them, but you know. Okay, hold on one sec, guys. Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna go down.
Be careful.
Okay.
There's a little cake.
I can't.
Can you do it?
I want to slide. Whatever. Oh, there you go.
Morgan, can you do it? Can you go to that creek?
Yay!
Don't flip. Yeah, don't flip. Can you do it, Mama?
Yes.
Fine. Careful. Hold on to that tree. That tree, like there.
I can just jump.
Yeah?
Jumping.
Just hold on to that tree.
No. We'll probably do one of those weird line things.
Yeah. Okay, you want to go down?
Yes, hold on.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Stop! You're gonna make me fall.
No, just put your leg right there, shoes right there, and then hold on to that big tree.
Whatever.
There you go. You can do it, Morgan. Look, this is what I want you to do. Look, look, put yourself right here and then like that. What are you guys doing? A lot of kids on the weekend, like Saturday, comes here.
Why?
To play. Oh, there's no more. Before when we come here, there's a lot of water still, but now, yeah, the water dries up. It's only because the snow is thawing down, that's why. And now there's no more snow because it's summer.
Big splash.
Ha ha! Yep, that's a big splash right there. Aye!
Let's see if I crack that.
Or you can go, you guys can go this way. Don't wet your shoes. Huh? Don't wet your shoes, guys. Princess, be careful. Don't wet your shoes. I think Princess is okay because she's wearing slipper.
I can?
You're wearing slipper, I think you're fine.
Okay. So those ones are still alive. I think they're called skippy bugs. They're usually like full an hour.
Yeah. It's cold, huh? Try it. It's gonna be cold. Yeah. Tiring. Let me know if you guys ready. Look at this guy. There's a lot of orange berry. I don't know what kind of berry is that, but there's a lot of this in the mountain too. I think the bird likes this. Yeah, this is just a kind of like a hidden park. And berries. Morgan, are you okay?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
All right. Right, rested? All right. Princess.
The water is dirty. There we go. We got it. Should we go home?
What? Already?
Can we?
Are we gonna go loop right there?
No, let's not loop.
Okay, then we go back up then. I think Kuya Morgan, that's it, Princess. That's it. Okay. Come on, Princess, let's go. Why are you pouring out your drink?
Huh?
Princess, let's go. Morgan, is there water in there? There's a stone, in your... What's wrong? You got blister? kidding me? You got blister. These kids is not into walking. Tomorrow we're gonna go to you got blister. you got blister, Morgan.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks. I thought we were gonna go to Starbucks.
Yeah. See, Morgan is not. He's not walking. All right. Go straight up. Okay. Go straight up.
Water.
So tiring. Ah, Princess, you tired?
Oh, you bet.
I'll wait for Kuya Morgan. Morgan? He got a blister. He's only walking for a little bit. And he doesn't wear socks, so yeah. This is our walk, Princess.
Yeah.
A brisk walk. Ay.
Sabihin mo po subscribe po yung sa channel ko.
Oh, sabihin mo dali.
Subscribe niyo po yung channel ko. Ang pangalan ko, Princess Calianta. Subscribe niyo po yun.
There we go. Gusto niya mag-subscribe daw kayo. Di ba ang ganda dito, no? Bahay to ng ano eh. Tingnan mo. Bahay ng ano, it's a private property. Mama, is your feet okay? Huh? You're having a blister? Alright. So thank you so much guys for watching.
Bye.
At ang aking mga bulilit, ang aking kasama ngayon. At yung isa konting lakad lang. Na blister na. So, okay. I'll see you.
Bye.
Bye. And then watch your subscribe sa Princess Calianta. Calianta.
Yeah.
YouTube channel daw. So, thank you guys. There's Morgan at the back. Morgan, do you want to say bye-bye to Mommy YouTube? Huh? You want to say goodbye? Say bye everyone. This is my son Morgan. My handsome boy. Alright. So, do you really have a blister, Mama?
Well, I have two blisters.
Watch out, Princess. They're poop. It's a big blister. Oh no. We're almost there, Morgan. We just did the one loop. One loop. That's all he can make it. But less, we had to start somewhere, you know. So maybe we're gonna stop by and get some cold drinks. Yeah, cold drinks. All right, guys. Thank you. God first. God first. Morgan, God first.
God first.
Yes. God bless everyone. A
First.
great day, Princess.
Bye.
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 Bye, you. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time on our bigger hike in the mountain. Yep. We're going up in the mountain, Princess.
Can I come?
Huh?
Can I come?
Well, you had to wake up early, though.
What time?
Like, really early.
In Sunday?
Yep.
Oh. Like 5?
Yep.
Oh.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bye.
See you on my next video. And thank you for my bulingit, my bulilit. That goes with me. Great day. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. Where's going?
Bye-bye, Morgan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.